Dallas Fort Worth.
Yes, it is.
Whoa, what's up guys? Matt here as always. As you can tell, I'm super excited. I'm not sure yet about the thumbnail and how I'm gonna describe this entire thing, but today it's Friday. I'm flying out tonight to Texas to pick the new car up. Excited. I don't know how it's gonna be. That's just a short intro. The truck, it's here, it's sitting here. I'm taking my wife's car to the airport, and that's just a short intro because I wanna record every single phase. And I'm going to Texas, first time going to Texas. I wish I could drive my truck to Texas. That would be awesome. Probably should be a small truck compared with what they have there, but still would be so cool. Unfortunately, I cannot drive the truck. I have to fly to Texas to get the car, and then I'm gonna drive back home. This is Memorial Day weekend. I'm planning to come to do this entire trip in 3 days. The deal is done. I got the car. It's done, said and done. So what I have to do is just fly to Texas, sign the paperwork, and we should be good to drive back home. I'm super excited to go to Texas for many different reasons. I will explain in the future why I'm getting this car and why this kind of car, what are my goals with it. So stay tuned. If you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. But enough talking, I have a flight to catch. I just want to explain to you guys what are we doing today. I'll see you guys tonight or tomorrow morning because we have a flight to catch. Let's do it.
Welcome to Dallas Fort Worth. We have a local time of 7:30.
Getting the Uber. Can I expose the driver? We have 35 minutes drive to the dealership. Should be fun. And by the way, it's super hot here in Texas. Super hot. On. Yeah, I think it's here though. If it's not, I think it's close enough so I can walk. That's fine. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thanks so much. You too. How are you? I was like, I don't know where it is.
How are you, man?
Good. Good to see you, man.
Yeah. So
much stress.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, you all need water, coffee, anything, restrooms. Yeah, let me get you a bottle of water. Yes, it is.
Is that bad or is that good?
No, it's good. It's just that you don't see a lot of them on that range, you know, with, you know, typically they'll have a bunch of, and by no means this one is perfect or anything like that, but it's nice enough for us to keep it and sell it here. But my goodness,
so many people came over.
And because we don't take them off the website until actually everything's done. So it's still out on their website. I kid you not, we probably get 10 a day, maybe. Wow. People just calling and, you know, well, let me know if it doesn't go through. And I'm like, well, we got money, we got everything. So
yeah, man, I appreciate you holding ours, and especially because we went through so many steps.
No worries. It was all good. And the only thing you see, and I don't know if Jason showed it to you when he was showing you the car. Here it is.
There it is.
All of its glory.
What do you think?
See, like the little nicks, the little, you know. Yeah, this is the bar. Now, here's my take on this. It's fantastic. I love this. But as they get older, you see the separation between the two. But
yeah, because if you see this, it's probably the protection.
Yes.
The paint is probably perfect.
Yeah, all our cars, you know, they get a wash, a detail, and all that stuff. But this car will benefit from taking it and then just spend a couple $100 paying someone to sit there and give it a nice little polish. Maybe wet sand it also, and then you'll get a really good.
Yeah, and I'm kind of happy because that's not the paint.
Yeah,
isn't the
it's on the
protection.
yeah, absolutely. But even everywhere else, I mean, you can see it. I mean, that paint, you know, looks pretty good. The only thing that, but here it is.
What do you think, babe?
You tell me.
Nice.
It's nicer than the one we looked at
Yeah,
in
it's
Jersey.
newer. I saw one. Was a 05.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, she didn't like it at all.
Right. Yeah.
This
It's
one
like-
doesn't
it
feel like
feels
it's
like an
so
old
old. The
car.
other one
Right.
felt like it was like
Like
beat
an
up.
old car. Yeah. Here's a key, so give it a go and see. The radio might be on, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes on. Hold the button. There you go. That's got good sound to it.
Holy cow.
Told you. It's got, and you can tweak the sound, how he sounds, like as far as that. But yeah, it looks like he put
I like it.
some really nice aftermarket
Yeah, I
stickers
think
on
it's
it.
a board.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
You better get use it.
Yeah.
you're gonna wake up all the neighbors now.
I mean, it sounds good though.
Yeah, it's again, you know, I drove it around and it drives good.
I think that's the.
So he had them built like that, yeah. Yeah. So you don't lose any of the space because some people put the boxes that look kind of, you know.
I will buy a jumper just in case I forget something. You know what I'm
Gotcha.
saying?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I'm not saying the battery is bad, but it's just
No, I mean these engines, I mean they're built to last. So new tires, and they're good tires. They're Michelin tires.
yeah. No, I think it's good. I'll go over the details when you get time because I have a lot to do with the dealer now. But just just a first look at the new addition to the channel. What do you guys think? We go over the things. I'll give you guys the specs and everything else. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm so happy. There's a aftermarket exhaust which is gonna save me some money, and that's one thing I'm really happy about it. And
Well, that's gonna be fun. That's for sure.
I mean, looks for that 07 car. That's what I was telling. I'm into cars, but she's not. Like I was
Right.
trying to tell her, like it's a 07 car.
Right.
I mean, and this one sounds better than the other one. The other one had like a. Did you guys do the oil change?
We do an oil change, filters, and
Okay.
then top fluids and things like
Okay,
that.
so just to make sure, like I don't
yeah,
need to do
absolutely.
anything.
It's all,
I have a truck.
yeah.
The truck is my daily
Yeah,
driver.
there you go.
Did you like it?
Yeah, like
The Corvette thing.
Yeah.
It's approved it.
much nicer than
The other one.
Good.
That's such a relief for me
Yeah.
if she approves.
Yeah.
So they have a lot of good stuff here. They have Porsches, BMWs. Just signed the paperwork. I think nothing's missing, right? He just went to get gas for us because I really deserve a full tank of gas. I really do. Coming to Texas, and that's the least thing they can do. I'm kidding, they are super nice. And then I'll stop somewhere to kind of show you guys the car in a better way, right? Not showing that much of paperwork because that's so boring and so expensive. A huge thank you to my wife for all the support she always gives me. I know it's crazy, we have life going on, but she's a huge support of the channel. Everything you see on the channel is because she is on my back, like giving me support to do. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. She's a huge part of the channel. Even though she's not on the videos, I just wanna, you know, say that she's a big part of me. She's the best part of me, actually. All right, so I'll take you guys.
I want my keys and I'm hungry.
We need some food though.
Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Hey! What's up? Come on now. You can park anywhere. Yeah. Alright. Oh my gosh. He would.
here it is, the new addition for the garage. As I always said, so if you guys have like a bad audio, it's because we are here on the rooftop in Dallas. We are in Dallas, Texas, and that's so cool. I'm not gonna explain to you guys right now why I got this car. I will give you that explanation later. I just want to show you guys a little bit of the car and how it drives, and if the wind is bad, I apologize. But here is my Corvette C6. What do you guys think? I came all the way from New Jersey to pick her up here in Dallas. Dude, I'm super excited. This is actually dream come true, and dude, I cannot tell you how excited I am. This car has like some imperfections, of course. I don't know how good you guys can see, but overall it's a good one. As I said, I will explain you guys more and more details in the future. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. And my plan now is to drive into Jersey. We're gonna drive back home. We're gonna do a lot of stuff with this thing. It's not perfect, so it has some small stuff, but overall I will show you guys. It's a 2007 C6 Corvette. Yeah, overall it's a really clean car. The seats are in really good shape. It has like 69,000 miles on it. 2 owners. I just got this car because it was a really good deal. It was worth to come to Dallas to, you know, take this car, take delivery of this car. It's a kind of a dream coming true for me. I have a lot of planning on this one. Let me show you guys on the back. Has a aftermarket sound system, but overall it's really clean car. Has a aftermarket exhaust as well. We're gonna change a bunch of stuff though, and my main goal here is showing guys how much we can do with not that much money, because when you think about Corvettes, you think like about money. That's not the case. I promise you guys, that's definitely not the case. That's not what we're gonna do. And again, I'm in Dallas, so I'm driving back home tomorrow, and I will take you guys on a journey with me. All right, let me know what you think. Again, if you're here for the Colorado, I'll tell you, Colorado is still one of my main things. It's not, we're still gonna do a lot of stuff with Colorados. This one was my dude, it's a dream. I can't believe I did this. This is like a combination of hard work and a bunch of the stuff, determination that I'm gonna share with you guys in the future. Again, if you're here for the Colorado is still the main thing that I'm doing with the channel. Want to bring something else? Let me know what you guys think. Well, you know, if it's something you expect else. I gave you guys so many ideas that I was about to get one. Dude, now that I'm looking at it, I still cannot believe. Let me finish here inside because it's so windy outside. I don't want you guys to get a bad audio. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're upset because it's not Colorado content, don't be, because it's still the Colorado is gonna be part. I have a huge plans for the Colorado, but I also adding the Corvette, and my main goal is to share it with you guys. If I can do, you also can do, and I'm gonna share every single detail. We're gonna do a lot of good stuff, so keep in mind, don't be mad on me, you know, don't be sad, because Colorado, Corvettes, anything, any kind of car, it's welcome to my channel. I'm excited for this new journey. Can you picture the Colorado pulling this thing in a trailer? How amazing it's gonna be. That's gonna happen soon. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. Make sure you work hard for your dreams. I know it's a 2007, but for me it's a big deal. It's something that I was looking for a while. I wanted something like this for a while. And again, I will give you guys a little update, and we're gonna walk through the cars just because I'm not home. I'm in somebody else's house and I need to drive back home because I have a long drive. So this thing is gonna face 1,500 miles tomorrow. I hope it's gonna be fine. If it's not, we are in trouble, but I'll keep you guys updated. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next video. And again, never forget, work hard, work for it, and enjoy your life.